Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you all the features available on our platform and what all can be done using WhatsApp Cloud API. So first, I'm going to show you what a user experiences on WhatsApp, and I'll show you what are the different types of messages you can send via WhatsApp Cloud API, which are not available on the WhatsApp business, and what other flows, appointment booking systems we have. So for this, we have an automated chatbot for the demo purposes. So as you can see that we have received a welcome message. So this is a fully automated process. Herein we have view options button. So this is a basically list button option here. Once we click on it, we have multiple options to select, right? Coming to the, I hope everybody is clear with the text message and media message. These are some basic options available which can be sent via WhatsApp Cloud API. Now coming to the interactive messages, these are the messages which we cannot send easily via WhatsApp Business. To send these types of messages, we need to switch to WhatsApp Cloud API. So what are interactive messages basically? So we in the interactive messages, what we can have is we can have reply button. So as you can see here, we have different buttons, and they when we click to that button, we it goes as a reply message, right? As you can see on the screen, this is what the interactive button is. We can have a click to URL as well that can be redirected, and reply buttons as well. These are some of the buttons which can be customized as well. Now coming to what is carousel message. So carousel message is basically one of the best type of messages used for marketing purposes. Basically, it helps to send 10 slides in a single message. So we can have a video, we can have an image in the slides, and we have a click to URL option as well. As you can see, this is a text message, and coming to these, this is a carousel message. In this, we can have up to 10 cards. This can be either image or a PDF. Now, coming to that, we have an OTP type of message available as well. Now, we'll come to the dynamic flows we have. So, these are full automated, full shopping experience, we can say. This is going to be an e-commerce flow. So, wherein your customer can have the product view. For example, we have a product here. We can view these items. We can add to order request, which is basically view cart only. We can seamlessly place order here. Now order has been placed. Now we have received an automated reply to share your delivery address. For this also we do not have to get redirected to any external link, or we do not have to, close the WhatsApp window. We can easily seamlessly provide the address here, and once the address is saved, we can easily choose from these options. And all these data we are providing will get stored into our panel as well as we can have this data in the Google Sheet or custom CRM. Now once the order is placed, we can get the customer to pay here as well. We have a pay now option available. In this, we have Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, and other net banking options available. So it can be easily done, or an order can easily be placed. Also, here is an icon of the catalog as well. So we can see a full catalog here and even place a order from here as well. We can go to place order, and this is the item has been sent for placing the order, right? Now let's stop this. Now, coming to the ticket booking, or we can say this is similar to something for the appointment booking. If you have a system for appointment booking, that can be customized as well. So, for the demo, we have a ticket booking system here, and you can see that we have received automated reply. We have an option to chat in Hindi or English. Now, once I click on the buy ticket, it will be a full flow message. In this, we do not need to chat one by one. It is a full application type of a thing. So once I click on continue, I have journey details option. So we can select easily from here. User do not have to, go through any external link or something like that. It is very seamless method of, we can proceed to payment from here, and the details which will be provided by the user will get stored in our platform as well as you can export them to the Google Sheet or our custom CRM or any other CRM you guys are using. So we have a pay now option available. In this also we have same options: Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay. So appointment booking, ticket booking can be seamlessly done, and within minutes we can, book a ticket, or seamlessly we can book an appointment as well. So there is no drop rate. It reduces the drop rate for the customer, right? Now coming to the next options, we have customer support option available. And now coming to the major part, which is an AI agent. So this is basically a chat GPT integration available on our platform, where when we can create a agent. So for example, this is the RedLava's AI assistant. So whatever we'll ask about our business, it is gonna reply on that. So for example, let's say, what are the features? So it is going to answer on the basis of our business. So we have you can also test this out. We'll be providing the number as well. So you can test the AI agent. So for example, we have different use cases. If you are a real estate agency or some real estate freelancers, you can train the AI agent accordingly. Or if your business have you have multiple leads and it is getting difficult for you guys to handle it manually, so what you can do is you can train a single AI agent, and that will, reply as per your requirement, as per what you want, and it will be a full human language. As you can see, I wrote what are the features. So it provided all the list of all the features we have, right? So if I say I want in Hindi, so it is going to reply in Hindi language as well. So this is the next big thing. So to handle multiple leads and to handle multiple FAQs, we can train a single AI agent, and it can handle all your leads. As you can see, we have an option. We wrote for Hindi, and we have received in Hindi language. Right. So these are the options available. This is just the basic what I have showed you for the AI agent. It can be used dynamically as per your requirements. You can train the AI agent. Even your AI agent can provide you the data in the Google Sheet as well. We can train the AI agent for, let's say, to collect lead. So in that we can ask the AI agent to get the name, email address, phone number, and whatever the summary of the chat is, we can get that into the Google Sheet as well, and that too automatically. We do not have to do it manually, or store it manually in the Google Sheet. The AI agent will provide the output in the Google Sheet with the summary of the chat and the name and other details of the lead, right? So this was about what are the features a customer, a user on WhatsApp can um, experience, and how seamlessly things work when we interact with the business using WhatsApp Cloud API and all the automations. Now coming to the platform, it is a very user friendly, and it is not so complex to use platform. It is a very easy to use platform. Herein we have a dashboard wherein you can see your account details, and we have a connected account page wherein we have some shortcuts through the meta page. Then for the onboarding, we have an embedded sign up process, which is via login with Facebook button. Now coming to the major feature, we have send message option. It can be a single message, it can be a bulk message. In bulk messaging, we have a CSV upload option wherein you just need to enter the campaign name, select a template, and you can just download a sample CSV and upload CSV. Then we have a feature of schedule messaging, right? What is schedule messaging? Basically, you want to send a specific message on a specific date and time, and or maybe on a recurring schedule. For example, let's say you want to send a follow-up message after 2 days or 5 days, or maybe a feedback message to a lead. So that can be done using the schedule option. Here you have a date and time option available. You can select the specific date and time you are looking for, or click on the repeat if you want to send messages on a recurring schedule, right? Then we have a manual grid option. Manual grid option is basically you just need to select a template, write a campaign name, and you have to copy paste the numbers manually here. Coming to the contact filter option, we can do bulk messaging on the basis of contact filters. So let's say if you have categorized your contact on the basis of, let's say, state, you want to target only Delhi people, or you maybe want to target Mumbai people, and run a campaign to that customer base. So using this, we can use a contact filter, right? So you can maybe send it to your all contacts, or maybe you have categorized it as regular parties or some cold leads, or you want to send them on the basis of categorize. uh, that type of marketing can be also done using contact filters. Next we have is retargeting. If you are looking to retarget the client, the users who have already read your previous message. You can do that on that basis. Or maybe you want to retarget a particular um, campaign in wherein you have a button message of, let's say, interested, or maybe send quotation, and then you want to send some retargeting message. That can be done here, and we just have to choose the message type, what is the button status, and we can easily apply different filters accordingly, and retarget to existing numbers. Right, coming to the cane messages. Cane messages are basically pre-filled messages. For example, you have some pre-filled messages, like, let's say if somebody is asking for your location, you have a pre-filled location message, or what are your timings, business timings. So you can have that pre-filled messages, right? Coming to the report page, we have a very dynamic report page wherein you can see the total messages, accepted messages, sent messages, delivered messages, read, failed. And in this, we can, filter it out. Whatever the data is, you can filter it out. We can choose a specific campaign, and on that basis we can see the data. So these types of, you can see that here we have the button clicks as well. So in this campaign, there might be two buttons: send toys PDF and imported item PDF. Herein, 37 people clicked on send toys PDF and 82 clicked on imported item PDF. So on this data, I can retarget them. I can retarget the imported item PDF to the one who have already clicked to them. So using this, we can uh, retarget further, right? Coming to the campaigns, this is, we can get the campaign data as well. From here, what is the campaign name, creation time, and all the insights would be available. As of now, we do not have any, since this is a demo account. This is all fetched via Meta only. Then we have an analytics page. So if you want to see how many, let's say if you are looking for the data for 3 months, that how many messages have been sent, what is the delivery rate, performance over time. So the analytics are available on the page. Right, coming to the chatbot. So in the chatbot, we have a basic chatbot, which is very easy to create. For example, you want to set a trigger for somebody is writing you hello, and then you want to send hi, thank you, we received your message, and this is this. We'll get back to you shortly. So this type of chatbot can be created using basic chatbot. But nowadays, what we have is we have a low code, no code chatbot builder, which is very easy to use and can be used dynamically, and we can create multiple use case out of it. Any type of automation we are looking for can be created using advanced chatbot. For example, this is a chatbot wherein we have a starting node. This is called a starting node. So we have a text match. We have kids book. If somebody will write us kids book, a message with the video would be sent. Then order details would be sent, and then provide address message would be sent. But we have multiple options in the starting node as well. We can have it as a the trigger could be a text match. It could be a catalog order. So, for example, somebody is placing an order from our catalog, then we can create a full flow that, thank you, we received your order. This is the review and pay option available. So we can send a that using the catalog trigger. We can create a full flow of that, right? Then we can have similarly for the payment trigger. So payment trigger is basically somebody completes their payment on WhatsApp, then we can send a message, thank you, we received your payment, and something like that, right? Coming to the webhook option. So webhook can be used for the external triggers we want. For example, let's say we want to trigger somebody who is coming on our Shopify or e-commerce website. Let's say we have a abandoned cart on a Shopify, and we want to target them on WhatsApp, that hey, you were looking for this product and your cart is awaiting. So these type of triggers can be made as well, and we can have these webhooks. Right. We can connect webhooks to any external CRM if you want to connect with Busy, Tally, Google Sheet, or any e-commerce website like Shopify. Um, let's say Shopify, e-commerce website, WordPress, and all of that. We can connect webhook to that. If you are a real estate agency and you're getting leads from, let's say, Magic Bricks or housing or some other a source of lead generation, and you want to get that lead on WhatsApp, that can be done using webhook. Then we have a template button. For example, we saw that we had a button option, and we sent a campaign with send toys PDF and send imported item PDFs. So we can have a trigger here that those who have selected the imported item PDF will get this PDF, and we can create that automation from here, right? So these are the options available in the starting node, which we can trigger, right? Now, what other options are available we can have in the chatbot is non-template message. We have payment message, we have template message, then we have FAQs, ask questions option available. Then we can create a chatbot on the basis of the contact attributes, or we can set contact attributes. So, for example, let's say this is the lead. So, to prioritize that lead, we can have that in attribute. We can set the attribute automatically. For example, somebody clicked on interested. We can set a contact attribute that these leads are interested, these are not interested, or these are some cold leads, or these are high priority leads. We can categorize them. We can set attribute, or even if we have already set contact attributes, that can be used. We can create chatbot on the basis of contact categorization basically. Now we have block opt-in opt-out button option available. Then we have if we want to create multiple conditions, dynamic conditions, that can be done. Except file is for example, somebody is sending a file and you want to store that, that can be done. And then we have jump to chatbot option available. JavaScript, if any other customization is required or coding is required, that can be done. Then we have Google Sheet integration, catalog products integration, OpenAI integration, and scheduling message integration. So in case you are looking, if you are an e-commerce business, and let's say you are first sending a abandoned cart message, and then sending a let's say a follow-up message or maybe a feedback message, so you can schedule that process one time only. So that is a schedule messaging option available. So this is a very easy to build chatbot. You can easily drag and drop chatbot, and you can easily build that, right? For the advanced chatbot, we are going to keep regular webinars to train on the chatbots and what all things can be done using chatbots. So for that, please stay tuned. Next we have is a contact page. So this is the contact page. Herein we whatever the contacts we have, we can see it here, and whatever new contacts we are receiving, for example, we are receiving chats from new contacts, that will also get stored in this. Right. Then we have a contact label. You can easily create a contact label from here. Then we have contact attributes. For example, you want to create attributes on the basis of customer name or state, address, that can be done. You can easily create an attribute from here. Then this is a block contact list. So for example, you are doing a rigorous bulk marketing on rigorously on heavy data. So what we suggest is to always use a opt out button, so that the people who are not interested can opt out easily and do not mark you spam first, right? So once they click on the opt out button, you we your list will automatically get created here, and in further marketing campaigns, you will not send them to these contacts, right? Coming to the contact filter, these are also the option available. You can create a contact filter from here. You can add the rule, group, whatever you want from here. Then we have addresses. So when you are collecting addresses from your users, the addresses get saved here with the name, contact, address, phone number, and address, right? We have already talked about the schedule items. Now coming to the Google Sheet. So Google Sheet integration is very easy. You just need to connect a Google account from here, and we have a uh, how to use also you will see how to use on every step. So in case if you are you're not able to figure out how to use, you can just refer to these um, on our platform. Now coming to the template page, you can easily create templates from our platforms, and you can easily create templates from the Meta platform as well. So what are templates? So basically WhatsApp templates are some pre-approved templates which gets approved by the Meta only. So for that, we have two types of category. We have marketing or utility. So marketing would be the promotional, new product, new PDFs, new catalogs you are sending, use can comes under marketing. Utility messages are those messages, let's say transactional messages. If you are sending invoice, bills over WhatsApp using a any other CRM like Busy Tally, those come under utility messages, right? So these are some templates which we need to get approved by the Meta. There is a 24-hour window. If we are sending, if the conversation is initiated by our side by a business, then we'll require to send a template message, and that gets charged by the Meta. So for the marketing, it is the Meta charges 0.78 approximately, and for utility it is 11.5 paisa approximately. Right. So also I would like to mention that we do not charge any premium over and above Meta charges. So we keep that transparency, and we get your card directly linked to the Meta only. So the number of conversation you have had or you have initiated, you have sent how many template messages will be charged via Meta only. It is a postpaid billing, right? So this is a template page. You can create a template from here. So what are the different types? So I've already showed you on the phone screen that you can send a flow message, you can send a carousel message, you can send a custom message. So I'll just show you quickly what how you can create a carousel message using our platform. So carousel comes under marketing. So you just have to give template a name. Whatever the body customization is, you can have the body customization. Then you can have different cards. So we can select a card from here, upload a video. You can add a card too. In the card two, we can have image. You have an option of upload image. Then we have card three, right? So you can create multiple cards from here. So this is how you can create a carousel template from here. You can have add card buttons option available. It can be a quick reply. It can a visit website, click to URL button. And so this is how you can create a template on the template page. You will see the status of the template, that it is approved. It can also get rejected by the Meta as well. So we can see, for example, you can see this is rejected by Meta. So you cannot send those templates, right? Now coming to the catalog page, we have catalog option available wherein you can have multiple catalogs. So catalog can be synced via your website as well. You can sync it from your Google Sheet as well, and you can add items manually. So here also we have a how to use card. So you can just refer to this once. So this is a catalog page. Now coming to the order page, you can easily see orders on this. So you can see this is the product ID, the product name, quantity, what is the price, and you can even send a review and send payment message from here. This data we can connect it with Google Sheet as well, or if you are having a custom CRM, using a custom CRM, we can get to that also. So you can easily link a Google Sheet from here. Right. Now coming to the flow messages, something I showed you how ticket booking system was working. So it we can create this from the meta page only. Already talked about the cane messages. Now coming to the integration part. So in the integration, we have API keys available. So you can create a API key. Then we have webhook option available. You can create a webhook if you are, you can this is the webhook option if you are connecting it with, if you want to, connect it with third party apps, you can do that using webhook. Then we have this chat GPT integration. So the thing we talked about, the AI agent, that how you can train the AI agent. So it is a very simple process. You just need a API key. Then you need to provide the system instruction that you have to train the AI agent. What is the role? What are the restrictions, what is the website, or maybe some examples, what should be the logic behind the conversation, what should be the tone of the conversation, the answer should be short, the answer should be brief. We can provide the system instructions here. We have the model to choose from. Then we can upload vector files. So basically the vector files are basically the data or the documentation we are going to provide, from where the AI can fetch the data and answer. Also we have a very a good feature available, which is a web search. So it is a very efficient feature. So if you already have a web presence and you want on that basis the AI agent will answer. So we can easily enable web scraping, and it will scrap the data and answer on the basis of the presence and the web search it will have, right? So it is a very easy to use integration. You can easily integrate it. You can easily train the AI agent accordingly, and can have the data in the Google Sheet. And basically it will help you handle leads, multiple leads, queries you are receiving. So yes, so this was all about our platform. Then we have the API documentation available. So you can just explore the API documentation. Now we also have a CRM. So this is a View CRM. It is a team inbox system. We also have a detailed video on this. So you just so this is the team inbox system. In this you have option of resolve, pending, snooze, prioritize, assign label. You can create multiple labels in there, and you can assign the chat to different labels, and you can assign the chat to a uh, assign agent to, you can assign the chat to different agents as well, and even create teams. So for example, you have a marketing team, you have a support team, you can create multiple teams, and in that you can assign the chat, right? So we have a detailed video on this. You can even create multiple automations in the chatbot in the team inbox system itself. So for that we'll share you a different video, or you can explore it. You can explore our website, and on the resources page we have different videos available. So yeah. So this was all about our platform. In case you're looking to explore some other features or have some custom requirements as well, you can connect with us.